Well, I'm happy to say that apart from tuning it, it's done. It's been quite the journey. There's been good times and bad, but we got there. So I've done a couple of things since you last saw it. A few details here and there. I did the decals, and most importantly, I did the engine. So I don't want to go too nuts with the decals, but once you start, you know how it is. And I cleaned up the engine bay entirely. Sticker bombed cover. You might remember the charge pipe. Extended up the white and the blood splattery effect a little bit. Gloss blacked this. Repainted all this in satin. All of that as well. I still might get the filters, but I also kind of don't care. Cleaned up a bunch of the brackets and everything. Did all the vacuum tubing red plus the braces, and just gave everything a really good clean, plus this. Running through the mods, obviously the wide body kit. The wheels, 12-inch 19s on the rear, 18s on the front. Here's spoiler, not too big, not too ridiculous. Front splitter, diffuser fins. Gone through the whole car and done red metallic bolts everywhere. Aero fins up front. Painted all the suspension and control arms and everything underneath. And custom paint around all the trims and the mirrors. A couple of other bits of custom paint and some metallic red eyeliner for the lights. Onto the interior. Fully painted everything that needed to be painted here. Covered up all that fake wood. We did all the rubber coated stuff which was peeling and looking horrible, as well as the white custom dash, red around the start button, and the custom shifter. Performance mods. So it has the downpipes, it has the charge pipe with blow-off valve, it has the dual cone intakes, it has the custom paint everywhere of course, intercooler, Remus exhaust, reworked turbos to remove as much rattle as possible. Oh, the halo lights, which are color changing. And then finally, to put it all together now, the tune. So I'm using MHD. Okay. So I kept getting low voltage. Turns out you need quite a powerful charger or power supply to supply the 13.5 volts continuously that you need to ensure that your battery stays in a good state and you don't mess up your tune. So I didn't have that. I had like a crap 3.5 amp charger. So I'm using a car. I suppose I should explain that I'm using the 2 Plus map, which with all the mods is the right one, and I have access to 95 octane fuel here, even 98, so I can use the higher end there. And that allows for, supposedly according to the app, 370 to 420 wheel horsepower. Well, it says it's done. Let's see if it'll crank. Okay, first of all, there's some rubbing. I'm going to need to sort that out. It's a little disconcerting driving a car that's so much wider. Finding myself trying to be very safe, not like that, with the corners. Oh no, roadworks! Uh-oh, might have to turn around. Speed is quite something else. Not going to go too nuts here because it's wet. That was not a hard pull. And I damn near shat myself. Yep, that does something. Not exactly the best weather for the test, but it went okay. Last thing I'm gonna need to sort out is the rubbing on the rear. Maybe I can just lift it slightly. Other than that, there we have it. So that is more than likely going to be a wrap for this one. I want to thank you guys for watching the whole project, and I hope you're happy with how it came out. I'm pretty pleased with it. Like I said, just a couple of little things to tweak here and there, and then it'll be time to drive around and show it off. Now, what to do for the next project?